illustrators, welcome to Art with Ashley B. That's me. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a pelican character. So go ahead and get your drawing materials together and let's get started. Alright illustrators, here we go with our pelican characters. The first thing we want to do is the top of their bill, which is going to start out as just a line. And at the very end of this line, we're going to make a little bump upward. And this is also going to turn into our pelican smile as well. So we're going to pick up where we left off. We're going to make a line that comes all the way back and curve up at the end for a smile. All right, we're going to make the big part of the bill next. So we're going to come around and we're going to make a big letter U. So it's like that pelican has a ton of water in there. All right, next we're going to work on our pelican's head. So we're going to come over here and we're going to actually put the eyes on first. So we're going to do two really large upside down letter U's here that just sit on that top line that we started with here. Two pupils. All right, we're going to work on the pelican's head. So we're going to come around and kind of make a contour line. That means when you draw the outer edge around some shapes. So we've got that around the eyes there. And then we'll come around and loop back. Want some feathers on top here. And we also want two eyebrows. Now, I love when characters' eyebrows don't actually touch their faces. So we'll put two eyebrows above our pelican's head there. All right, now we're going to work on our pelican's neck next. So we'll start with a small line here. And this will continue into our pelican's back, which is another line across. And we'll want a few tail feathers here, just like that. And similar to how we did this shape, we're going to do that same thing for the pelican's body. We'll come down and swoop all the way back up. All right, now we're going to add some feathers for the wings here. And that's our front wing here, and we'll see just a little bit of the wing from the other side peeking out from behind our pelican here. All right, now we're going to do two legs. So we'll do two lines right next to each other for one leg there, and two lines next to each other for another leg there. Now for our pelican's feet, we're going for an overall triangular shape. So we'll come out and make 3 lines there and back in. And we'll want to do that same thing on the other side for our pelican's other foot. 1, 2, 3. All right, and we want to add just a little detail, and this will just add a little bit of like feathery texture to our pelican here. And you can put these wherever you'd like. So the next thing that we have to do is add some color. So go ahead and get your crayons, markers, colored pencils, anything that you'd like. This is what I chose to do. There we have our pelican characters. The very last step that we have to do is to sign them, because every artist should always sign their work. All right, illustrators, great job today on your pelican characters. I hope that you all enjoyed yourselves, and I will see you next time right here on Art with Ashley B. Bye.